Opening a pipe or process line may seem routine, but it can be one of the most hazardous tasks in industrial environments. OSHA reports that improper line breaking contributes to nearly 30% of chemical accidents. When pressurized or hazardous materials are released unexpectedly, the consequences can be severe. This line-breaking training from OSHA Education School provides essential knowledge to help workers manage risks safely and follow established industry practices. Line breaking involves intentionally opening piping, ducts, or equipment that contain or previously contained hazardous materials. These systems may hold chemicals under extreme pressure or temperature. If not properly controlled, energy and material release can result in burns, flying debris, toxic exposure, and environmental damage. Even mechanical components such as flanges can separate violently if pressure is not fully relieved. Understanding these hazards is the first step toward preventing serious injury. Some line-breaking tasks are part of normal operations and are covered by standard operating procedures. These activities must follow clearly written procedures verified through hazard assessments. Non-routine line breaking requires additional controls. Workers must obtain a safe work permit before beginning work. The permit identifies energy isolation requirements, emergency procedures, necessary protective equipment, and steps for returning equipment to service safely. Never begin work without proper authorization. Flanges are common connection points used when breaking into piping systems. Different flange types may require specific isolation methods. Workers must never rely solely on a blind plate or spectacle blind to stop flow. Proper isolation often requires a double block and bleed approach, along with lockout-tagout procedures to ensure energy sources are fully controlled. When in doubt, consult a supervisor or competent person. Never guess. Minimum protective equipment typically includes head protection, gloves, eye protection, and chemical-resistant clothing. Additional protection may be required based on the safety data sheet and hazard assessment. Before opening a line, verify that pressure has been relieved, equipment is locked and tagged, required permits are in place, and emergency resources such as eye wash stations are accessible. Position yourself defensively during initial opening to avoid potential spray or release. Line breaking demands planning, communication, and strict adherence to safety procedures. With proper training, hazard recognition, and protective measures, risks can be significantly reduced. Enroll today in the line breaking course from OSHA Education School and strengthen your commitment to safe operations in high-risk environments.